All right, we are live. We are live now. We just got the new laptop set up. So, checking out the connection statuses. And I want to show you guys how I'm going to set up my Thinkorswim. And we're going to talk about some stocks. So that's what's going on in this video today. YouTube. We just got this thing set up, so everything's looking good. We just got the brand new laptop. We downloaded the Tastyworks account. You guys see Tesla. We have a gap to fill down here. Now, when's the last time Tesla gapped up like this? So right here we had a nice gap up, but this candle, we can still go up higher. So, and the play that we're in, we're looking to close these 1200s out as long as the stock keeps going up. But yeah, so we're gonna set up the we're gonna get all of this stuff set up, because right now when you come in, open up Thinkorswim, this is what your normal setup would look like. So let me go ahead and copy this. Little petty Discord chat. I think that's it. Might be. Bam. No, we don't want Discord on here. Yep. So we got our Discord chat. Yeah. So this right here is what I was talking about. Why we don't short the market. When you short the market, and you're buying SPY puts. I bought this as a hedge. I don't know if I talked about it, but this right here is why you don't short the market. The market is going up for now. Current resolution. Open widget. All right. So I'm still trying to get the streaming shit together. Trying to get this streaming stuff together, but we are going to go ahead and set up this Tastyworks, or this Thinkorswim. So we want to go ahead and we're going to change this to there we go, right here. Gadget. Oh yeah, we got to delete the gadgets. So we'll delete the gadgets and we'll start fresh. And we want watch list, and then we want a quick chart, and that's how we rock right there. So I'm actually going to switch this gadget to quick chart and switch this one to where are we at? A watch list. Boom. Alright, so we're gonna set this up for the options. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to come into this trade and you're gonna go to all products. You're gonna open up this table grid. Hold on, let me get my dog in the house. Okay, my sweetie. Alright, so first thing you're going to want to do, you're going to want this, you're going to want to switch this over, because this is not going to be a chart. You're going to want to get this to the chart, boom, and then you're going to want to link this up to, I like to link it up to blue. Now what that does is whenever you click on the option chart, you can see what the price did. Now we can switch this to blue, link this to blue, and now we can have our option table for whatever option that we're going to go through. So for instance, if we're going to scroll through these, we can go ahead and start seeing what the option did. So as you guys can see, I got my new computer. I went ahead and got the i7 HP. I spent like $700 on it. So this should be good. This should last for a few years. I still have my other computer. So do that with this over here in the trade tab. Matter of fact, hold on. Let me post my link real quick. I don't know if anybody watching. Streaming information. That's my acquisition manager. Oh, dang. Hello? Okay, cool. So we're gonna lock that property up. Okay, cool. Well, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get the contract sent out. I'm gonna call up what title company? Are you cool with Stewart Title Company or? Okay, okay, cool. So I'll go ahead and make sure all the documents for that property will go down, and then I'll be in update with you later on today. Okay, cool. All right. Woo! Got a deal closed in real estate, so that's a great thing. All right, so now that we got how do I'm still trying to figure out. Whatever. All right, so now that we got this part set up, now we're gonna go ahead and we are going to break down, detach, and we're going to set up our 3 stocks that we like to keep up top. So first we got SPY right there. We have Tesla, it goes right here. We had, what other stocks? Spotify. We had TWLO. We had Facebook up here today. And we had Netflix. Cool, so now we got that set up. Now for my studies. Okay, cool. My 1226 is already there. So that's gonna be cool. But I'm actually probably gonna start trading without indicators. I don't really need indicators. I like trading with just the graph lines. So we're gonna focus on that. We want to go ahead and get these into the 5-minute candles. Boom. Boom. We'll do 15 since it's over the weekend, so we can really see what's going on. I'm gonna close all these out. Spotify ripped up. Move that drawing. We'll hold these 2 drawings and those ones and those ones. Facebook came down. Remove that drawing. Tesla. We will have the gap fill for Tesla, and we will keep those alerts up there for Twilio. Now, all right. So, close this out. Which is not optimal. Why is that not optimal? Suggestion. Stream bitrate of 1,000 kbs's. Okay. Okay, so we'll fix that later. Alright, so now that we got this open, now we want to, yeah, we already have our stuff over here. So we got our long-term portfolio stocks that we like to look at majority of the time. And we're gonna go through and we're gonna look at some charts. I know I don't like to look at charts, but I just got my new laptop. Oh, so we want to mark this. Yeah, so this got to be red. Then we got to link this to red. And then also we want to put, yeah, we got to fix these up too. So we keep last up there, customize. Oops. Customize. Remove. So we want mark percent of change. We want percent change. And we also want volume. So symbol last, right there, boom. So this is the percent change of the day, and this is the percent for when it's pre-market and aftermarket. So as you guys can see, NIO. Oh, we bought those calls. Let's go. We bought the NIO calls. Let's go. We got NIO calls, man. We definitely got NIO calls. What the fuck is this? Where's how do I get the stream link? Whatever. Damn, so we got the NIO calls. I gotta hit my buddy up. Alright, so we all know about the big boy Tesla. Tesla is just literally on a whole nother mission. I need to remove some of these drawings because these are just pointless now. Matter of fact, we're just going to clear this chart. We're just going to clear up Tesla's chart. CRWD. Yep, I've been watching this stock. They finally got the break above Spotify. We're going to clear out this chart. Twilio. We're going to clear out Twilio's chart. Google. Nice day up. Shopify. Man. Oh my gosh. Sheesh. Yeah, I was looking at this yesterday when it hit 1,000. This is like Tesla stock. Honestly, you guys. This stock is just like Tesla. Breakout. You see we got the zones mapped out. It hold that support, made a higher low, came up, popped, bull flag, gap up in the morning, another bull flag, set up for another gap up. Now we're looking a little weak. We did not break this low wick, so if we do break this low wick, this right here, damn, this computer is so much faster than my other one. It's not even funny. So I'll be watching for these levels right here. And then I'm going to set an alert for a break below. Yeah, just a break below 220. At or below. So that's what I'm looking. I'm going to set an alert for a break above there too, because I don't want to miss this one anymore. Caterpillar, they are catching a bounce. That looks good. You can see the clear trend kind of holding. That's a pretty high. That's a pretty high uptrend though, but you kind of see what I'm seeing right there. So that's a nice little trend. We'll keep an eye out for that. This stock doesn't really move too much, so I'm not really a big guy on Caterpillar, I was a big guy trying to buy the dip down here, but I clearly missed out, and I missed the second entry too. So this one has been, I kind of just leave it alone, don't really mess with it. 3M, Nvidia. So Nvidia is looking really good. Let's go to the daily chart. They're looking good. They have a topping tail candle, maybe a pullback, fill the gap, maybe even come down to here. So, but they are in an uptrend breakout. I'm done with the pot stocks for now. I sold my positions on pot stocks. ZM, I'm going to clear this out. I'm going to clear charts right now. So they're looking good. ExxonMobil, we bought this up here. Bought some all the way down. We ended up selling out for a small loss, but I just wanted to get away from oil. Q's, all-time highs. So they hit an all-time high today. Bam, right at the morning, 254. Had a solid pullback. And they, looks like they, let's see, they might have filled the gap. So, yeah, they almost filled the gap. They basically filled the gap. Now, I want to point out something today, what happened in SPY. Let me load up one of my studies, too. Edit study. So, what we're going to do right here is we're going to put the PDC. Now, this is a custom one that you got to make. Study PDC. All right, boom. Oh shit. Why did I do that? Let me see. Oh, no. Edit studies. Oh, I think I forgot. Or maybe it's just, let me see when I remove this. Huh. Yeah, I gotta watch that video again. But for the daily charts, we can do it like this. I want to show you something. So SPY, it gapped up this morning. It opened up at 314, and it basically came down and filled the gap. And right when it filled the gap, so at 311.94, what happened? So this is where it closed yesterday. It had a gap, or it came down. So this was the high of yesterday. This morning it gaps up, it comes down and literally taps the gap and trades away from it. So that's very bullish. Now, as you can see, it rolled over, but it still kind of gave up a fighting ground, and you see what happened. So that's a gap fill reversal. That's a very bullish strategy for when stocks gap up and you're like, man, I missed the top, bro. I missed the top, you know. But it's like, bro, like, listen. There's going to be opportunity. You just got to be patient. So like today, I'm going to show you guys, basically, I'm going to scroll up today. I should give you guys what we were looking at in the morning. All right. So right at the open, Netflix looked like it's about to pop, but it's at all-time high. Watch price action. There she goes. Wait for a pullback and see what the trade is going to do. My boy right here, Dar, said, Nio, $8 calls, boy. What? What? The dailies? The $8? Come on, bro. So Facebook pullback. Nothing looks too interesting to me. So this is right at the open. Maybe some quick scalp trades, but I don't see a clear direction on anything. And then finally, grabbed a Facebook put. I seen direction. So let's go ahead and look into what I was looking at this morning. So we'll blow up this chart. So when Facebook opens up, it gaps up in the morning. It comes up, tests this 240 resistance. So let's zoom out and see where this 240 resistance is coming from. It's coming all the way back from 526. So as you guys can see, this has been a level it's been rejected from. 1, 2, 3, and today 4. Now, as many times as this came up, it's more than likely going to get back in this trade area and break out. Now, I'm long Facebook, so regardless if Facebook stock goes up, I make money. Now, let's go back to that chart real quick. Let's blow that back up, and let's get back into the daily chart. So when I seen Facebook struggling, we do 5-minute candles. When I seen it pop up, S&P's kind of lagging, but this one start coming down. I ended up getting in around these candles right here on the pop. Now I got in on the first 5. Or hold on, we can come right here. We don't have to guess. So Facebook put, I bought it at 647. 647, and I bought 2. And I mark it in. No, I bought a Twilio, put 2. But I mark it in because the spreads are very tight. So I want to get in the play. I'm looking for the direction. It doesn't matter for $10, $20 to $30. So we got in on this candle right here. Look at that. That's beautiful. In between these two, this candle right here, 45. So in this candle right here, it dropped down. It had a pop up. I want VWAP up here. Give me the VWAP. I like the VWAP. VWAP is like a really good price indicator. Or see that shit. I just want middle VWAP. Boom. So look, comes up and taps the VWAP. That right there is your clear sign. So this is a VWAP fade. Shout out to beginner trading. But VWAP fade, clear drop, boom. We locked it in. The Facebook, we locked it in at 57 in 10 minutes. I made $100. And I basically sold while it popped. So now what I could have done better was switch to the 1-minute chart. I could have switched to the 1-minute chart. Why is the VWAP not up here? I need to save this as a setting. So I need to save VWAP setting. Upper band, we don't want that shit. Lower band, don't want that shit. Save set as VWAP. VWAP only. Apply. Boom. Now we got VWAP. So as you guys can see, boom. We got in on this candle right here, 48. Boom. As it started fading, I'm like, okay, it made another pop, and then it got down, and we closed it out. We closed that trade out at 657. So 657. As you can see, we were closing it out. I was gonna try to close it out, but then it rolled over. And then I got back in, and then I ended up closing the second one out. So we ended up buying another Facebook at 235 at 705, and we sold out at 827. So what time was 827? It was when it was coming down in this candle right here. So we had a little bit of profit because we had basically gave up our profits, and then it came down. So I said I'm gonna close it out. I didn't want to hold it no more, and obviously that was a good decision because this thing popped up, and then it ended up selling off for the rest of the day. So, and my buddy right here, he made a killer bounce trade right here on Facebook Scalp on the daily. So we was rocking and rolling today, man. Today was a good day in the stock market. Tesla. I'm interested in NIO right now. Let me check out NIO. Yeah, see NIO. So we bought 8 $10 calls that expire next week. And we bought $9.5 calls. Those should be in the money. Those are 15 days and $11 calls. So this is our play in Nio. I just wanted to use some of the capital from this account because this account is basically blown up. We done made so much money in this account. This account has already doubled. And yeah. So what else do I got for you guys? Oh, yeah, so let's go look at some other charts. Alright, so we got the Facebook. Pull up this hourly chart. So Facebook, nice little reversal. Still holding up here. If it cracks below this 231, watch out below. But we did buy this dip, and we sold out on the same day before day trade, and we kind of left it alone for the next few days. So missed out on some profits there, but, you know, can't win everything. Twilio looks good. Okay, we left off at Cron, Microsoft, man. Whew. That's all I'm going to say right there. ZM stock. So ZM, we did good on ZM. We've been long since the 196. We made some day credit spread swing trades on these. Hit on majority of them. Probably lost on one of them. Kind of left it alone. This entry right here, I think I had posted that out. But that entry right there has been looking very good. And I like that zone right there. Up here, kind of sellers, but buyers have been down here. They bought this up a few times. And we're going to see how this plays out. And we'll set this as purple for the breakout. And set an alert at or above. And if it comes down in here, then we might be interested in taking a put credit spread on that play. So, hey, what up, bro? Yeah, man. Shout out to anybody that's watching. I know I'm just branding, but I'm talking stocks. You know what I'm saying? Showing you guys what's going on. And I hope I'm of value to you guys. I hope, you know. I'm trying to get my... oh, yeah. We're on the road to 100 subscribers. So, let me show you guys see what we got right now. A little petty. Boom. My channel. 98 subscribers. So, we got 98 subscribers right now. So, let's get that to $100. I'm probably going to do a giveaway for a $100 subscriber. I'll make a YouTube video for that. I might give $100 out for my 100 subscriber. Not the person that's 100, but we'll make a video, comment, generator, whatever. Let's have fun with this channel. So, but yeah, Nio, man. So I had Nio. Whew. I had Nio back down here. I had bought it, and this is when I was a little bit low on capital. And I fucked around and sold it, and yeah, it was a bad decision. But at the end of the day, I've been bullish on Nio since when it IPO'd. So it IPO'd back here. It IPO'd at 6. I remember that week it went up to 14. I sold a little bit of it, but this was when I was like not really a real trader, like not really knowing a bunch of stuff. Sold out of it. It kind of came down, and then throughout all this time was not good times for me. Last year was not the best year for me, but now like we're basically on our shit. So I remember buying down here in January, right around here, and I locked in a little bit of gains, but I basically sold out and never looked back. But we got calls, so my buddy, shout out, we got some calls on that today. I said, well, fuck it, if I'm gonna miss out, let me just throw in a little bit of money and try to run up some money to make money on not having the shares. But I do, if I can make a nice little play to where I can turn something into shares, I will do that. But I'm obviously waiting for a pullback in Nio. Nio looks good. Nio looks real good. Chevron, so they're still selling off. Got the 4-hour chart. They're not looking too good. Uber has came down. I'm long in Uber. That's one of my biggest investments. So Uber, um, this is a breakout level right here. And it looks like we got a bottom wick tail candle. So we'll go to the hour chart and see what we see. So they're kind of curling up right now. This is a base level down here. Buyers are showing up from the past few days. They have showed up from here to here. There's been buyers. Now, if this gets taken out, then, this is probably going to fall. But long-term Uber, I am bullish on Uber. That's why I am long their stock. SPY, let me see what SPY ended up doing for the rest of the day, because we stopped following the market. So it did come back down. Looks like SPY had a nice sell-off. I think I just talked about this. But yeah, so the gap fill, and it came back down and did the gap fill. So do grow. This is a great long-term ETF to add something like into your Roth. I have this in my Roth. I'll go ahead and show you guys my Roth real quick. So as you guys can see, I have Do Grow. I have 30 shares, and then SPHD, one of my bigger investments, I have 68 shares. And this SPHD, they pay out a dividend monthly. So, and this is basically low volatility. Look, we'll go right here. I'll show you analysis. So SPHD, they're a low volatility stock that follows the S&P 500. I don't know why it's not showing up right now. But yeah, they follow their low volatility S&P 500 stocks, and they get paid out a monthly dividend, and it's a pretty high yield. So they focus on the low volatility, high dividend yielding stocks in the S&P 500. So I like that one right there. Apple, man, just literally missed this whole move, but I've been making money on other moves, so I'm not too FOMO'd out about Apple, but I would like to invest some money in Apple. HD, UNH, TLT. So TLT, I'm kind of cool off TLT. Not really a huge mover. Now PayPal's been ripping up. This has been crazy. They're at all-time highs, just on serious breakout levels. Nothing slowing down PayPal. And yeah, PayPal's a good company. Starbucks, it's another one of my good investments, one of my long-term investments. So they have failed. They have taken a hit. My account has been hit on this. The long-term portfolio. Right here's my day trading account. Cash account options. Now BYND, I'm gonna clear up this chart because I'm thinking I want to add long term to BYND. I like this stock. I just see it has a lot of potential, but I don't know if it's overvalued. I feel like it's just overvalued right now, but I try not to get too caught up on that stuff. If I like the stock, then I'll buy it. Walmart, long term shareholder of Walmart. AMD, clear out this chart. They are setting up this is a weekly, so yeah, that looks like a weekly kind of bullish flag. Zoom in. Yeah, so this day, yep, sold out of my 52 calls. It went up to 53 today. Said I'm cutting it, don't feel like holding it. Disney, I'm also long in Disney. There have been weeks since they're not planning to open up their store, their Disney Worlds or whatever. So the stock collapsed off of that from the pandemic of coronavirus. Lyft, not too interested in that. JPM, so the banks, let's see what the banks did today. Yeah, so it looks like the banks had gapped up, and woo, they gave that all the way up. So this probably did 1,000% option. Let's check it out. JPM puts. Did you guys do 1,000 today? So 90, let's say some 93.5s. Yep, the 93.5 did 1,000% today, dude. Look at this. Damn, these puts went fucking crazy. So from 15 cents up to $15, or 1.5 thousand %. JPM, the 1000%er. We were riding puts today too. Me and my boys, we were riding puts for a little bit. Once I got my bag, I said I'm done for the day. There was no need to trade. We hit on the Facebooks, the Netflix, so it's no need to over trade. Like, I have capital, but I'm not using it all the time. It's no need to force this stuff, because when you force and you're trying to force to make money, that's when you lose. When you're just kicked back trading, you don't lose money. If you do lose money, you're not worried about it. Like right here, I lost on Twilio 114. I don't care because I made 120 and 195 on Facebook. Now this SPY shit right here, that's what I was telling you guys. This is why you don't short the market. I need to put that in the loss column right here. This is why you don't buy puts. Puts are no good. Puts are no good. You sell puts. So if I would have sold these puts, these would have been, I would have collected the premium, but I bought them, so somebody took my money. That's how the stock market works. You buy a put, somebody sold it to you. So why not sell puts to people and make money? That's how this account got to $3,000 profit, and it doubled. Go back and watch all my YouTube videos, Little Petty Trades Options, and get filled in. So JPM, let's go back to the long term. McDonald's is good. That probably did 1,000% today too. Yeah, no doubt about it. Especially the right at the end of the day. Not gonna look into that. Facebook stock, we played this today. Talked about that earlier. Played the VWAP, bounced down, looking good. Netflix. So let's talk about the Netflix play. Oops, undo. So in Netflix, it popped up this morning. I was talking about it in the Discord. I was saying, let's see what the stock does. And I also posted in the Discord chat my top stocks: Tesla, Amazon, Facebook, Spotify, NIO, Twilio. So we took a trade on Tesla, Netflix, Facebook's. We closed out some. No, we didn't close out Spotify. We took a trade on NIO, and we lost on Twilio. So we took all of the trades today that I called out, what we were watching. And yeah, so if you guys want to join the Discord, let me know. It's free right now. But what up, cuz? Shit, I'm just over here looking at these stock markets, making a little YouTube video. Yeah, I got an 8 for you. Lemon pound cake. No. It's my personals. Alright. Alright. Alright, Square. Woo! So Square, this stock right here, I'm actually long on this stock. Now this was a good sell off today. We are long shares in Square since $68. So Square, I've been very bullish on this stock. I was buying it up here at 82, buying it down here, and my average is about $60. So we're up almost 100% on that. I'm long this. I don't plan on selling. Square is a company that I use. I like Cash App. You can buy Bitcoin. I'm long Square. It's a new company, IPO, set 2017. I'm holding it for 10 years. Snapchat, I'm long Snapchat. Been a little bullish on this one. This one kind of ran away from me. My shares are at like, I think 19, or no, not 19. My shares are at like 13. Look, I don't give a fuck, bro. I'm gonna show you guys. Oops. My bad. I had to check out one time. But we back though. So look, I'm gonna log in my shit. I'm gonna show you guys my shit. I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna show you guys every fucking thing. My combined accounts, I got 13 bands. Look at the growth from the 1 year. This is what I want to show you guys. Year to date, I was a $500 nigga in January. Now I got 13 bands. So right now we just been on this consistent uptrend. You feel me? My Roth, we've been doing this. Put $500 into this every month. We have the trade account, the small little petty main, which is so this account. Let me show you guys this. So the beginning, I started out like this, put some money in here, blew it all up, blew up 4 bands in like a week. So that's option trading. That's what can happen to you when you trade options. Now you can see boom, 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 playing around, putting money in, still blowing it up. But as you can see now, we are on a consistent. We have something that's consistent. Consistent growth. Add money into your account. Grow your money. Add money. So that's, and I plan for this to eventually get to $1 million. I'm gonna add every month. I'm gonna keep adding. That's how you build. That's how you build your wealth. You add your money in. You start small. You start with 500. Then when you make money, you keep adding it into your long-term portfolio. So let me show you my positions. Market value. Facebook. Now, if you guys know me, I made this Facebook. Go back, watch my Facebook, how I turned $74 into $1,600 and bought Facebook stock. So majority of this money came from a $74 play. SPHD. Boom. Now we're down 0.06%, but this pays out a monthly dividend. I just got paid like 30 or like $10 for the month. So imagine when this level gets to 20 G's or 30, 40, 50 G's. So my biggest investments right now are Facebook, SPHD, Starbucks, Square. So as you guys can see, we're up 81% on Square. We're up 17% on Uber, AbbVie, Walmart. We're down 4%. We're up 69% on Snap, Do Grow, Disney. We just bought some Bitcoin. The Trust, Boeing. We're up 50% on Boeing. We bought Boeing at. We bought Boeing at. What did we buy this shit at? Like $109. So we're up on that, and then Johnson & Johnson. We have 1 share in the Roth. So that's what's going on. And then we have some calls right now that are all blown up, but so you guys see how I'm balanced. I'm basically, the way I'm balanced is I have my long-term portfolio. I have my trading account. I have my day trading gambling account. And yeah, so I have my Roth. Yeah, I'm good, bro. So I have $500 in January. Now I got about 25,000. If I can do it, you can do it. I went and got a job. You feel me? I said, fuck this. I'm going to go get a job. I'm going to write out a business plan, and I'm going to execute. Now I'm selling properties, taking $5,000 assignment fees. Like, come on, dude. Wayfair. Let's talk about stocks. Wayfair. So Wayfair, they're breaking out. They had a reversal. Look, they're coming down to these levels. This is clear. We have buyers down here. Buyers are showing up. Breakout, comes down, doesn't fill the gap. It doesn't even get close, so it reverses. Now it's uptrending. It sets this top candle. It pulls back, and it has a reversal day. So let's go to the hour chart. Boom. Reversal. A break above this high, dude. See you later. Have a good one. Good night. Out of there. Taking off like a bat out of hell. Boom. You see that? That is price action trading. You trade the stock price. Levels. Get your levels down. VIX. VIX has collapsed. And all the people that were buying TVIX, that were buying, I seen a post on, I'm going to go to my Facebook real quick. Because in these funny ass Robinhood trading apps, he would be like, oh, bro, I bought TVIX at fucking, Why tomorrow the market will be closed? I'm still a baby in this. Yeah, you are. Like, dude, the market. I'm not trying to talk shit because when I first came to the market, I didn't like the weekends. But now it's like, dude, enjoy the fucking weekends, bro. So when people were buying the TV, bro, look at this chart, dude. Like, come on, bro. Look at this fucking chart. Look at the chart, dude. Come on, bro. Woo, TVIX, bro. People got fucking lost their life savings. But I had read somebody said, when is TVIX coming back to 850? It's not. It's not, bro. People were saying, when is TVIX coming back to 1500? It's not. So TVIX, mRNA was down. Yeah, this is a shit show. Definitely weak. Yes, so buyers have showed up in these levels right here, but it's weak. It's collapsing. I'm gonna clear out this chart. Clear drawing set. So they had a small reversal at the end of the day, or would they drop and pop back? What happened? Yeah, so they came down, they crashed hella hard, and then bounced off of that. So when this happens, when it drops, it's gonna pop, it's gonna come back down, and then if it sets another wick, that means it's not gonna go lower, not for no time soon. And Nikolai. So this one was down 12% today. Shit show. Hold on. Hey, let me bark it. Hey, place. Yeah. What's up, cuz? Shit, this on this in the office. Yeah. What's up, little dog? Dropping a live video. Here, I'm gonna have you wait up.
Smoke weed.
I feel you. All right. So Nikolai, this stock came down 13%. Looks like fucking looks like the sellers are showing up strong. And yeah, I'm gonna clear out this chart. Yes. What up? Yeah, those are fake hundreds. So I'm thinking possibly this stock is gonna just keep continuing down unless we hold some levels. I don't really like that level. Remove drawing. Possibly, I gotta go to a different time frame. We gotta see where the buyers are showing up. Yeah, it's light. I know it's good. That's when I was like, bro, you sure? Yeah, it's good. So yeah, it looks like sellers are not gonna be showing up no time soon on this, or buyers. Possibly down to this $30 level. I mean, it could reverse here at 53, and then it looks like buyers are showing up in this level, but we kind of cracked that level right now, and we're trading in this zone right here. So, crack below 53, 25. In the bottom drawer. So below 53, we're gonna probably come down to 38, 30 level. That's what I would set my alerts for down here. So I'm gonna set an alert. You can see we got some type of, we got something going on over here in this level. So those are levels I'm watching, and obviously a break above 73, then that's bullish. So the bottom drawer. Yeah. So, yeah, that's basically it. We went through all these stocks.
Yeah, actually, what on there?
Nah.
Yeah.
So, ain't nobody saying nothing. So, I'm going to end this stream, man. Y'all have a good one, YouTube. And Little Petty.